Hi friends, I am your Sanil Perumthottath. Welcome to my new video. This video is on an IPO, but not an ordinary main board IPO. This is an SME IPO. You know, SMEs are small and medium-sized enterprises. They are very small companies and comparatively new companies, but it can also raise fund from capital market through a separate platform called the SME platform. In BSE it is called BSE SME, and in NSE it is called NSE Emerge. You can apply for the shares like applying any other shares through ASPA facility. This particular video is on Walpar Nutritions Limited, a Gujarat-based company. They are coming out with an IPO for rupees 6.6 crores. You know, this is a small company and they need only 6.6 crores. And issue opening date is June 30th and it will close on July 5th. Okay, let us move to the video. This small Gujarat-based company, Walpar Nutritions, manufacturing nutraceutical, Ayurvedic medicines, cosmeceuticals, sexual wellness medicines, and food supplements. Their address and email are given here. The issue opens on 30th June and closes on July 5th. They are raising 6.6 crores from the stock market. You know, SME companies paid up capital should not exceed 25 crores after the IPO. Here it is only 6.6 crores they are raising. It has developed 100 plus formulations and 1000 brands under different segments. That means orthopedia, cardiac, diabetic, dermatology, pain management, antibiotic, gynecology, neuro, gastro, industrial, and sports nutrition. In further, manufacture tablets, capsules, ointments, creams, lotions, gels, and sachet, powders, liquid orals, etc. Now let us see the manufacturing capacity of their Gandhinagar manufacturing unit. 23 lakhs tablets per month, 12.50 lakhs capsules per month, 1.5 lakhs oral liquids per month, and 2 lakhs sachets per month. That is the capacity of their Gandhinagar manufacturing unit. Now let us see the competitive strength of this company. Large product portfolio with 70 plus products, strong products manufacturing and development capabilities. Then best quality products certified by FSSAI and Ayush Department. FSSAI means Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. Ayush is the government department. See the main three promoters of this company: Mr. Kalpesh Prabhinchandra Lathwala, Mrs. Sejal Kalpesh Lathwala, Mr. Tanmay Kumar Ashwin Bhai Shah. They are the main three promoters of this company. See the financial statement of this company for the last 3 years. This is 2020, 2019, 2018. Total assets in 2020 it is 1317.41 lakhs. It is in lakhs. And previous year it was 9.18 only. Then total revenue in 2020 it is 1671.27, and in 19 it is 1282.27. It is increased. Profit after tax 12.18 in 2020, and previous year it was only 6.88, and in 18 it is 0.33. It is very impressive financial statement. Now let us see the objects of this issue. For what purpose they are going to use this money? Mainly to meet capital requirements and general corporate purpose. Then to meet the issue expenditure. The issue itself is a little bit expensive affair. Then to invest a small portion is to invest on their subsidiaries. The market lot size is 2000 shares. A retail individual investor can apply for up to 1 lot. That means 2000 shares. The cost shall be 1,10,000 rupees. Here lies the main difference. In main board IPO, minimum lot size is only rupees 15,000. There is no market lot in trading or transacting. But in SME, the lot size is 2000 and that will continue in buying and selling. You cannot transact in small numbers. Hence the liquidity problem comes in market sometimes. And now let's see the promoters holding of this company. Pre-issue shareholding is 96.53 and after the issue their holding shall be 71.02%. That means 25.33% they are selling. Here are the main points of this issue once again for your reference. Issue opens on June 30th, closing on July 5th. It is a fixed price issue. Per share the rate is 55 rupees. Face value is rupees 10. Market lot size is 2000. Then minimum order quantity is also 2000 shares and it is going to list on NSE Emerge. That means NSE's SME platform. Issue size is 12 lakh shares. That means 6.6 crores rupees. See the dates once again. IPO opening date 30th June, IPO closing date 5th July, finalization of basic allotment 8th July, initiation of refund 9th July, transfer of shares to Demat account 9th July, listing date 13th July. Friends, Walpar Nutrition's IPO registrar is Skyline Financial Services Private Limited. The email ID and website of this particular company is also displayed here. The lead manager of this issue is Beeline Broking Limited. This is comparatively a good SME issue. If you are interested in SME issues and if you have funds, you can apply for this. Friends, if you are impressed in this video, please like and share this video to your friends and also post your comments. Thank you very much.